Let's look at this question now. 17 glass balls of distinct colors and distinct weights have been arranged in a row. The weight of the rad ball is 17 kg. The average weight of the all balls other than the green one is 8.5625 kg. The average weight of all the balls is 500 grams, more than the average weight of 16 balls other than the red one. The weight of the green ball in kg is. Okay, so there are total 17 balls, and the weight of red ball is given as red weight is given as 17 kg. Okay, then average weight of all balls other than green one. So average without green is given as, I'm writing the average here. If average without green is given as 8.5625 kg, right? And the average of all the balls is 500 gram, more than the average weight of 16 balls other than red one. So average without red, I'm assuming it to be X. So the average of all balls, right? Average overall. So overall average would be X plus 0.5, because I have taken these units as kg. So this 500 gram would be 0.5 kg, right? Now, the weight of the green wall, I need to find the weight of green wall. So I need to find this value, right? So that's the proper way of writing all these things, so we do not get confused, right? What is given and what is not. Now, let's look at these two, average without red and overall average. Can you see? We can just find the value of X orally. And how does that happen? We have average without red as X, and average overall was X.5. So when all the balls were there, the average weight per ball was X plus 0.5, right? It was X plus 0.5. So for the 17 balls, I can replace the weight of each and every ball with this value, X plus 0.5 kg, right? And there would be one ball that would be red in them, right? So this red ball would have the average of X plus 0.5 also, correct? So if average overall is X plus 0.5, I can replace these 7 balls, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on, still 17. I could have their weight as X plus 0.5, X plus 0.5, X plus 0.5, right? And in this way, we have the overall average as X.5. And now let's assume there was this red ball, right? There was this red ball, right? And when you remove this red ball, can you see the average weight of this red ball was also X plus 0.5? When you remove this red ball, this average is decreased. Can you see the overall average without the red ball become X now? So can you see the average ball was reduced? So the average have taken red ball, this red ball have taken with him, this red ball uh, have taken with him the uh, this weight, that is X plus 0.5, and all these extra weights 0.5, 0.5, right? And for how many balls? For 16 balls. Can you see? Now the all the 16 red ball all the 16 balls apart from red has this average of X, right? So the I can write the weight of each and every ball to be X. That means with red, this 0.5 has gone, right? So red ball already had the average of X plus 0.5, and it also snatched this 0.5. How many times? 16 times, because there were 16 red balls apart from red. So can you see this must be the weight of red ball? and it is given as 17 kg. So this must be the weight of red ball. This must be the weight of red ball. So I can equate it to 17, correct? So it would be 8. 8 goes to other side and it become 8 go to other side, it becomes 9. So I get the value of x as 8.5 because I need to subtract zero point 0.5 from 9. So I get the value of x as 8.5 kg. Now we have the average of all the balls as, if I add this, I get the average as 9, right? Now I can write the, or I can find the weight of green ball. How? Without green, this is the average for 16 balls. So the sum of weights of these balls would be, sum of 16 balls would be 16 balls without the green one. Green one would be 8.5625 into 16. And the sum of 17 balls together was 9 into 17. So to find the weight of green ball, I need to subtract this value from this value. I know this is 153 and this would be 16,580, 32,840, 96 and 400, 10, 80 and 10, 90, 9, 128 and 9, 137. So I get this as 137. So the difference between them would be the weight of green ball, weight of green ball, weight of green ball. And that would be equal to 153 minus 137. So it would be 16 kg. So correct answer to this question would be 16 kg.